Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmar Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to change the Opera web browser language settings. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Opera browser, and then dito lang sa top left corner, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung Opera logo. So click mo lang yan, and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung settings. At pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Alt+P, and then click lang natin yan. And then next step dito lang sa right side ay mag-scroll down lang tayo. And then dito sa pinakadulo makikita mo dito yung advanced, and then i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan. And then dito sa advanced settings, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung preferred language. So mag-scroll down ulit tayo. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung preferred languages. So websites in your languages. Kung paano ba natin ito i-change. So dito sa right side, makita mo dito yung add languages. So click mo lang yan. And then pwede kang mag-search dito ng language. So for example, search natin yung English. And then next step naman, pwede kang mag-select dito sa baba mga kaibigan. And then once nakapag-select ka na, so click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang itong add. And then mga kaibigan, automatic na na-add na dito yung language. Kung paano ba natin ito i-change or i-customize, so dito sa right side, click mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then, pwede mo itong i-move to the top, move up, and then yung remove. And then next step, dito naman sa display Opera in this language para ma-change. So i-click mo lang itong box. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong relaunch. And then back ulit tayo doon mga kaibigan. So click mo lang itong advanced. And then i-locate natin yung preferred language. And then scroll down. Ayan. So makita mo dito na na-change na yung language. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to change the language settings in Opera web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.